In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create a professional win-back email campaign that re-engages your audience with a genuine, value-driven approach. I'll start by opening my browser and heading over to ChatGPT. To get the best results, I first need to establish a clear persona and set of rules for the AI. I'll open my prepared notes and copy a comprehensive prompt that defines my identity as Josh, an online educator and digital product creator. I want these emails to be warm, honest, and helpful rather than pushy or desperate. I'll paste this entire instruction into the message bar and hit send. As you can see, ChatGPT acknowledges the role, confirming the tone and the specific structure it will use, such as providing a real reason to re-engage and delivering genuine value in every message. Now that the AI understands the brand voice, I'm ready to generate the first email in the sequence. I'll go back to my text file and copy the prompt for subscribers who haven't opened an email in the last 90 days. This prompt asks for a brief, friendly message that acknowledges the silence without making the reader feel guilty. I'll paste that into the chat and watch as it quickly drafts a polished email. It includes a soft subject line and offers a helpful resource, like a pricing framework, as a gift to encourage the reader to click back in. Next, I want to target past customers who haven't made a purchase in over 6 months. I'll head back to my notes to grab the next prompt, which asks for an email that thanks them for their past support and shares a brief update on what's new in my business. I'll copy this, paste it into the search bar, and send it. ChatGPT generates a thoughtful message that includes a special discount code as a welcome back gift, keeping the language simple and specific as requested. Finally, I need to create a re-permission email for subscribers who have been inactive for a long time. This is a crucial step for keeping my email list healthy. I'll copy the final prompt from my notepad, which instructs the AI to write a last chance email. I'll paste it into the chat and hit enter. The resulting email is respectful and direct, giving the subscriber a clear, one-click option to stay on the list or be gracefully removed. By using these targeted prompts, I've built a complete, high-quality re-engagement sequence in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.